Michael Burry, the man who saw 2008 coming, is back in the spotlight. But this time, his portfolio looks radically different. 1 stock and 6 bearish bets. What is Burry doing now? What is he betting against? And what can we learn from his strategy in 2025? If you've seen The Big Short, you know who Michael Burry is. A former neurologist turned hedge fund manager. He made billions by shorting the US housing market before the 2008 crash. While everyone else trusted the real estate boom, Burry dug into the mortgage data and saw the collapse coming. Since then, he's taken bold, contrarian stances. Sometimes early, often controversial, but always data-driven. He doesn't follow hype. He follows fundamentals. In recent years, Burry has moved across many asset classes. In 2020 and 2021, he invested heavily in GameStop, sparking speculation before the retail trader boom. In 2022-2023, he placed bets on Chinese tech giants like Alibaba, Baidu, and JD.com, positions that many saw as undervalued at the time. He's also bought stocks like Meta, CVS, and Geo Group, always looking for value the market ignores. But in Q3 2023, he made headlines again, this time for placing a massive $1.6 billion bet against the S&P 500 and Nasdaq via put options. He was warning of a coming correction. As of Q1 2025, Michael Burry's Cyan Asset Management has taken a shockingly simple form. Only 1 long stock, 6 put option positions, meaning he's betting against some of the world's biggest companies. Long position, Estée Lauder, EL, 200,000 shares, worth around $13.2 million, represents a 6.6% of his total portfolio. Why? Likely a contrarian value play. Estée Lauder stock has underperformed, and Burry may believe the brand's global strength is being overlooked. So why Estée Lauder? And what even is it? Estée Lauder Companies Inc. is one of the world's leading manufacturers of skincare, makeup, fragrance, and hair care products. You've probably heard of some of their brands: MAC, Clinique, La Mer, Jo Malone, Tom Ford Beauty, all of them owned by Estée Lauder. It's a global cosmetics giant, but its stock has taken a serious hit over the last year. Slowing sales in China, inventory issues, and a drop in luxury demand have pushed the price down by more than 40% from its highs. While Wall Street turned sour, Burry saw opportunity. He's likely betting that Estée Lauder's premium brands and global presence will help it bounce back, especially if global consumer spending stabilizes or improves. This isn't a growth tech play. This is a beaten-down world-class brand, and Burry loves buying quality when it's out of favor. Burry's bets suggest that he sees overvaluation in US growth stocks like NVIDIA, ongoing risk in Chinese equities, weakness in consumer sentiment globally, even with strong brands like Estée Lauder. This isn't just portfolio simplification, it's conviction. Burry doesn't diversify for the sake of it. He concentrates where he sees asymmetric risk versus reward. But remember, just because Burry makes a move doesn't mean it'll play out immediately. He was early in 2005 and got crushed, until 2008 made him a legend.